Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Genevieve Mbiola. I am 36 years old from Block 12, Lot 56, Acacia Street, Bermudez Plains, Apocon, Tagum City, Davao.
Are you single?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
You are the?
I am the youngest of the family.
Okay, do you have an experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
How many are them in the family?
There are 6 members in the family.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years and 2 months, ma'am.
So you finished your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have an experience working as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Miss Heidi Ang, ma'am.
How many are them in the family?
5, ma'am.
How long did you stay in that employer?
3 years, ma'am.
So you finished your contract with them too?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking, and gardening.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the high salary and the people there are very nice.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
I like steamed fish, steamed chicken, stir-fry vegetable.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them good manners and how to write and speak English.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Baba, black sheep, have you anyone? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay.
That's it, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am. I am
So
pet lover.
Okay, so you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest, hardworking, obedient. And that's it, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I hope you give me a chance to work in your family as a helper. I will do my responsibility, my duties. I will do my best and I finish my contract if you give me a chance. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.